Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So I'm in this restaurant. I don't even can I get a green? Yeah. You want tea, Gary? You want tea?
Drink, soda, juice, so just share the green tea.
Y'all don't have coffee, right?
I'm sorry?
You don't have coffee, right?
No, only the hot
Okay.
teas.
Let me get pineapple juice.
Apple juice?
Pineapple.
Okay, one pineapple, one green tea, right?
We're in this place. I don't know what the name of it. What's the name of it, Greg? Hong Kong? Something like that. Hong Kong.
Cuisine.
Hong Kong cuisine, but I think I'm going to. I don't really see nothing on the menu that I'm fascinated by, but I'm gonna try and look for a sushi.
You don't like dumpling? Too much
Yeah, I do
dumpling
like
in it?
dumpling, but I've been saying that I wanted to try sushi.
Oh,
But I have to try one that I know that I've heard of. Yeah. Look at the menu, see what you want, and then you check it with the pen, like husband is doing, and then they bring you. That's how they take your order, which that is simple and cool. I gotta do my eyebrows. Look how thick. Greg, you're taking a long
You
time.
want to try them coconut honey tea?
They should have gave me one.
Ask him to.
No, but you took that from me because it was here first.
Ask her.
May I help you?
Yeah, can I have one?
One more?
Can I have a sheet?
Sure.
He's taking too long. Thank you. Yeah, I'm glad she set this here.
We can see tea.
Thank you, appreciate it. Alright, what I'm gonna get. And now he has the pen. Okay, this is all the stuff they have. We'll see. Look at the tea. This is cute.
So we'll pour it. Tea for the princess. What's your mom?
Oh, it's nice and hot and steamy. Yeah, we gotta. Oh, babe.
Everything. Look.
We gotta go like this.
Son,
We
look.
have to.
Like that?
Ooh, that's hot. That's hot.
Like that?
He played too much. Konnichiwa. All right, I'll show y'all when the food comes. This is the sauce. And this got corn in it. My husband is not a fan of corn. Chicken dumpling, fish cake. I don't know what's in this. I just picked it. And of course we got our green tea. And he gotta have him a pineapple juice. So I'm gonna eat up and taste. I don't know how to use this. I'm not even gonna play myself like that. Is this soy sauce? Oh. Oh.
Right, spicy?
I dipped it in both.
Right. So you're gonna know which one I eat.
Are we sharing?
No.
Are we sharing, Greg?
So we're gonna eat.
Look. Okay. Shrimp. Oh, it's a seafood thing, that's why.
Yeah, cooking like that around there. But I just sleep. What kind of that's dessert?
There's shrimp inside.
I've never heard of
Ooh. Let me see, man. My husband ordered this. What's it called?
coconut honey.
Coconut and honey.
Honey cake.
Honey cake. Coconut and honey cake. We gotta see what that's doing. He is dressing these things up with hot sauce. Woo! Crazy?
The octopus tea.
Oh,
Have a cool.
it smells good.
Tastes good too. Less octopus.
Ooh.
So we got some ice cream with this. Sell out.
That's good. I am a fan of dumplings though. I do like dumplings. Those were all good. I would not remember the name of them, but they were good. But they was good. No, baby, just take it. Take it. It looks like a sponge too.
Right.
That was good.
That's it, right. So beautiful.
Think so? You have a beautiful wife. Well, something is wrong with you. Oh my God. You crazy. That was good though. Yeah, I give it 10 out of 10. So the name of this restaurant is called Demsu. And they got all types of dumplings. All types. There's so many to choose from. So this is our first new spot that we tried for 2026. This is the first new place. Started out with the Chinese. Konnichiwa.
Oh, sorry.
He wanted fried chicken. No. He was like, the fried chicken not ready yet. Y'all, it is morning time here in New York. It is probably about 11 o'clock now.
11:02.
11:02 to be exact. And my husband was like, can I get the chicken wings? I guess we gotta come back another day, try the chicken wings.
Chicken wings look slimy.
They look mad crispy. They look very crispy. So if you are ever in the New York City area and you want to visit this dumpling spot, it's called Demsu Palace and it is at 123 William Street. 123 William Street. It's not hard to get here, but okay, we're gonna head out now. It was good though. I recommend it. Guys, look at the Twin Tower. We are literally right here. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay, so we're walking home. I gotta use my GPS because around in these areas, the blocks are just crazy. So I will get back to y'all. That's nasty. We stopped inside Sunday morning.
And we get Tuesday evening.
And we got a little snack. I'm probably not gonna eat it now.
We got Sunday morning. And
we should have got one for Royalty.
We get Thursday evening.
That's
right and too much. And everything should be eaten. We are far.
Yeah, you're right, babe. See the reminder. The reminder. Royalty gets everything.
They're gonna be like, that's why when you come to now, I see.
Yeah.
Hide mine.
Are you?
Yeah.
We be having Greg hide his. I lie about where mine came from. Maybe. No, maybe she's the baby boss for real, Greg.
Definitely, I got it.
Oh boy. As soon as she see it, she start questioning right away. Oh, you went to Sunday morning with Dad? You didn't get me anything? You suck. She just... Yo. She is just off the chain. I can't. But we soon have to pick her up in a little while. We get a little break. Go upstairs. I have so much laundry to fold. Anytime I do laundry, that is the day that the house looks the craziest all the time. And I was supposed to throw a load of the other stuff in there, my towels and stuff. Yeah, I need a washing machine. I need a washing machine and a dryer in my house, so I could just throw this stuff easy peasy. 1, 2, 3. But soon enough, end of time. Right, husband? That is it. All right. Yeah. So we did walk. I think we walked about, what do you think, Greg? 3 miles? I'm gonna say 3 to 5. 3 to 5? Less than 5? All right, 3.5. We walked about 3.5 miles. So we definitely got our steps in today. We are home and trying to figure out where to hide the evidence. I don't know where to hide it. But let me show y'all real fast, just in case I don't get to show y'all later. Because Royalty just be all up. This is mine. I got a pistachio cinnabon. Y'all see that? I'm hoping somewhere they make the Dubai cinnabon. Oh. Yeah, basically that. With chocolate, pistachio, they green, gravy. So, it tastes so good. It tastes so good. But we shall see. I don't know. Honestly, I'm gonna just say somebody bought it for me. I don't know what husband is gonna say. You gonna say that too, babe? Mm-hmm. Oh, somebody bought, they didn't think that, I'm gonna say they didn't think that you eat this because it has so much stuff on it. And I'm gonna say, but I'll share mine with you. Not Greg. Greg don't. No, you share something with her, babe? Oh, he will share something with her. He's lying. He's like this. How old are you? He said he's lying. I can't. So we're going to pick up the lady boss now. Oh my God. I had such a good day today. Mm-hmm. When I spend time with God and when I spend time with my husband, it fuels me. Like it just... Yeah, it fuels me because those are the things that I desire. I desire a heart for God, and I desire as much quality time with my husband as possible. He knows that. That is my love language. If I can have him to myself for as long as I can, I want it. So, yeah. But now we're going to pick up Royalty. The noise in the house. I had to put on a hoodie because I was cold walking. It did say it was going to be 45, 50, but can't really change with this weather. Okay, it's okay. When I come back, I got to do laundry. Do y'all want to see her reaction to the Cinnabons? Or should I just end the vlog here and tell you about it? No, I'll think about it. I'll think about it.
If I do say so myself, I don't know. This year said it's giving big woman, but it took over tonight.
Her dress is showing her belly.
You know, she will get them contact.
So we are going to cook out.
It looks like in summertime, them be this. Guys, I just toast.
There's pistachios inside there? Mm-mm. So why did I taste a pistachio?
This tastes good. Babe, I love pistachio. It don't matter what dessert you buy me. If it's pistachio, buy it.
But Mama, Mama, you don't
You
know.
like the ice cream? Like pistachio.
Daddy, have you ever?
Without the pistachio.
Yeah, me too.
Just
You
the
don't like the
plain
taste
ice
of
cream.
pistachio?
I don't like
You know why the nuts?
No, why you don't like pistachio? What you don't like?
He likes
You
it.
know why the nuts?
Babe, I said, what don't you like about the pistachio?
You don't like the nuts. That's what I'm saying.
That's why he's saying it. You keep saying it over and over.
You tapping on it.
I don't like it.
I mean, you know, some of them make the ice cream with the pistachio in it.
Yeah, I like it like that.
Mama. Yeah, Mama. I'm not gonna flip.
Here, there's no pistachio on here. Here you go. Here. Bye, that's it.
She probably would be there.
So when we picked Royce up from school, she was being very sassy. And I remember that I had the Cinnabons upstairs. So when she came upstairs, downstairs she didn't want to be my friend. Don't eat those, because you done ate out all the other ones. Put it back. Put it back. It doesn't matter. Put it back. They taste just like the colored ones. Put it back.
But they're just cheap.
He done the rainbow. He done the rainbow to those. No, you gotta think about your sister. The graham crackers. 3 big packs come in there. You ate 2 whole packs. You didn't even think about your sister. So like I was saying, outside she didn't want to be my friend. But when she came upstairs and she smelled a good Cinnabon, then she want to be somebody's friend. Because she wants some. And I told her that somebody got them for us. And she said, why I didn't tell them to get her one too. So, yeah. All right, so make sure you like, share, subscribe.
If they like my new pants.
Oh. Your Royce's pants from Shein. Turn around. They are pretty long. She has the weight, but she don't have the height. So most of the time her pants are long. That's why I usually like to get the ones where it's drawstring at the bottom. Like mine is. Well, you had the drawstring ones before too. So, yeah, we just tore that up. So I'm about to get ready to fold these clothes. And that is it for you guys. I had a good day with my husband. I told y'all the noise is home. The noise is home. And this scavenger hunter over here, Zion. There's still some in there. It's back of 7. Okay, Zion. You need to eat food. You ain't go wash your hands. You ain't settled in. You just started digging. You didn't even take off your coat, clothes, nothing. You snacked in the first. I'm not gonna eat this right now. I'm gonna wash my hands after I eat. Anywho, y'all, like, share, subscribe to this channel because let me tell you, it's the consistency for me. So I will see you guys in the next vlog.